Hi everyone, I'm Annie here. I'm back to show you my latest project. It's a Victorian style tag bag, and all the fabric is hand dye, and I sew this bag and put all these items here. And this is the way how I alter my bag with the applique and the image, and yeah, you can see, and the tassel here. Actually, I don't have the dangling trim anymore. If you have the dangling, the trim is, I think, is more beautiful. And this is the way that I alter with the trim and the appliques and trim around here. And this one I sew the image. Okay, and this is the back, and this is the outer paper bag with the tag, like so. Okay, this is the, and the back, when I tie the lace fabric. This is another one, and inside also with the tag is the matching tag. And the back I didn't do anything, like so. I love the color, soft and yeah, so pretty, like this. And this one with the, like a cherry, and this one at the back here, like so. It's the fabric. Yeah, I glue the tag with the fabric. Another one, and also with the tag. This one different image. And this is the last one. And also with the tag. And the image you can see is different. Same image but different. You can see this one, the girl is stand here, left, this is right, like so. And yeah, I really have so much fun for this project, and I really hope you all like this, what I did here. And yeah, please feel free to leave me a comment and let me know what you all think with this project. And if you like, please give me a big thumbs up, and I really appreciate each one. And here you go, and bye bye.